Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to play our Teach Sandbox. And today I'm going to make a car. Let's see how can we make it. So let me make a police car. So I need this special light, mini thruster, and need to go more bit down. Yes, here. I need a 3D paint. And what is lift block, lift sign, lift call? Connect this block to lift call. Connect this block to the lift block and to the button selected. Wait a second. Lift block. I'm talking about lift block. Okay. Lift call. I didn't take the item that are required. So these were the items. Now let me go up. Boost. Cube. And I think I need to make the car of black, because police cars are black. Okay, now I need is small pipe band and small pipe shot. Now brewing. Wait. Brewing. Come. Okay, engine. Car driver seat. I'm going to choose wheel pan. And now the main thing is, no, I don't know how if I will put a thruster. Watch it. Oh my gosh, I need to do it all again. Let me meet you in seconds. Finally, only one thing is left. That is the 3D painter. That paint very much faster for your car, and it's easy to use also. Where is it? What line tool? Put this block. Okay, now I need this 3D fill. Okay. Now I need a block here. Now follow me. Now put it just bit like this. Okay. Now break this one. This will fall down. Catch it. Let it go up. Then put I didn't take, I think, brewing. Let me take a brewing, please. Give me a moment. Where's the brewing? Or tube. XU. Okay, I also need a speed meter, but I will use it later. Now I need brewing. Put the brewing on the corners, in front and in the back. Do a bit of like a block, then like this. Okay, so let me put a block on each of them. Now I have to remove the brewing. The brewing helps the car to rotate. Now, okay. Now again brewing time. I have to put one here, one here, one here, one here. Okay, now I need to take my wheel to put it on the car. Okay, this is working well. Now like this. Now I need to let it come down a bit side so the tires do not disturb me. The tires will be connected after seconds. I'm saying now like this. Go down, yeah, it's much better. Now I have to put a driver seat. One block of it will make it fully black. Got it? Now the seat is also black now. So won't I just take it a bit here, then a bit of here, then take it up. I have to do it 2 times. Now done. No time to let it come on front, but I need to do one thing more. I have to put it here again. Why it's blinking, I don't know. Okay, so now come down please. You now be doing fast. We will be doing it fast enough. Now I need is what we call it, yeah, this block again. Put it like this. Now let it come over here. Now let's put it up from, let's start make our window. This is our window. Okay, so I have to break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this will be better to make a car. Now again I have to do that thing. Wait a moment. So I have made it. Now I will use my painter. Okay, it has been painted. I will take glass later. Now let me just make it till here. Okay bros, then I will make it here and up right there. Okay bros, now I will also do it from here. Now I will surround it with the glass, but I have to take an air glass. Okay, 4 blocks will be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now done. Climb on it. Now take your lights of police. 1 in here. No, not in here. It should be in. It should be on 1, 2, 3. Okay, here and here. These will work. Now finally guys, I have made this car. Finally. So now let me finish the waste. Now let's try the car. I have made this from my hands for my viewers, so that's why it's a bit unusual kind. I'm just taking a better texture. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 and one more layer required, so I will use cube and 3D paint. You run away always from me. So its name is 3D fill. I need to make this place heavier. The back I have to make it heavier. Okay guys, now I have to use my 3D paint. Now it also it's making my car a bit more, but why that was heavier, that place? It hasn't got that much. Okay, I got it. Now I will make this heavier, so the lift will be on back and the car will not go up and down. Sorry. Done. Is it done? Please don't say me I have to do it again. I think there's a problem. Something has happened to brewing. Boost needed. Okay, I will show you a boat in next video. Okay guys. Now I have to come up. Delete this car. I don't like these kind of cars. Now I'm going to show you a boat that only floats in water and work also much OP like. Okay, now I'm just bringing it. Guys, time to show you the boat. I have been making it for 2 hours and years. Just kidding. How much time should I take? Much. Okay. Okay, I'm disconnecting. I don't want to this much. So guys, I have been jumped into VK feed. Now let's see how much the man has made. Okay, I can't see much better texture. Okay, invisible block, are you seriously, bro? Seriously, invisible block? Turbine 2x3. No, let me check if I get the magnet. What? Bob Cargo? Tell me why I'm not getting the magnet. Electromagnet 0.1. Wait. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let me take a ride on the plane. I'm running away, bros. I insist that I'm running away. Get side, everyone get side. Plane coming through. Wait, I have to do it by myself. Bros. Now which turbine? Okay, now what is this? I don't know. What's up, friend? This is mine. Yeah. Now let's just take it much forward. I don't really know how to fly it, but I will. Whoa, whoa. I think it has been. It's very hard to fly a plane. I will put it just down here. I'm going to put mini Thar. Okay? Then it have to run. Otherwise, I will leave this game. Here's the main thruster. But now I also need, instead of a block, I need a button. Now I will put one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one here, one down. Okay. One. Wait. Now I need a plane. The plane is been done. Now time to sit, but not that much. Easy bros. Okay. Now 7th. No, that's why he didn't put the third seat. Make her. So now time to go up in the sky. Now time to fly this in a normal world, so I don't get any blinking. That's why. Turning on the normal world. Now just spawn it quickly. Now let's see if there is any. Yes, the Thor is here. Now I can fly it much easier. Now leaving it will fly. I'm seeing dudes. Wait a second, which mod is that? Which is okay, 120 tiles, 3x3. Now thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.